Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to customize app icons and themes on Vivo phone. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to customize or change your app icons and themes, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open the themes app which is built in or your system app. You can find it here and you just have to select it and open it, and here go for local or profile icon in the right bottom corner, just select it, and here select local themes, and here you will get all themes of your phone. Here's some downloaded themes, or here's some featured theme. You just have to download the themes which are in this option. Just select the theme, as I'm going to select this one. So after that, my apps icon will be changed something like this, and my phone theme will completely change. And that's how you can easily customize app icons and themes on Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.